Hello, Year 9s. Welcome to Mr. Chen Classroom. So this is the first video that I have made, and what I'm trying to do, I will tell you, is I'm trying to let you guys have a look at what we're going to learn every time before the lesson happens, so that what happens is when it comes to lesson times, you can have more knowledge than what you have, and then you will come in with a lot of questions to ask, and if you have any confusion, we can use the class time to solve them. Okay, so I reckon this is going to be a more efficient way to learn, and it's gonna help you a lot because you will have more contact time with me instead of doing it all by yourself at home. So let's start. So welcome to term 3 maths for you year 9s. So in this term, I'm gonna quickly go through what we are learning, and I'm gonna tell you the lesson objective, and also we will go through some keywords, some important keywords for you to summarize it up every lessons. Okay, so let's start. In term 3, if you welcome to term 3, of course, and in term 3, in week 1 and 2, we'll be focusing on Pythagoras, and then followed by followed by trigonometry, which we will start in week 3 to week 5, and then we will finish it off with coordinate geometry from week 5 to week 9 or 10. I'll leave it to week 10 because it is just in case if we don't finish everything in times. So for these videos, the lesson objective is for you to get familiar with some of the very important keywords that you will be using. So let's start. Keywords number 1 is right angle triangles. Have you guys heard of Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is pretty much involve a right angle triangle and we need them because it can help us to solve a lot of the equations and also solve a lot of issues with length and ratio. And that is important in especially constructions and also in buildings and etc. Okay, so right angle triangle, I'm gonna jump straight into it. Right angle triangle, for those who never heard of what right angle triangle is, it is actually a triangle that has 190 degree. Okay, it has to have a right 90 degree to be considered as right angle triangle. Okay, so that is pretty much the definition for right angle triangle, and pretty much triangle all add up to 180 degree. Okay, so if this takes up 90 degree, the rest of this, that one and that one, they have to add up to 90 degree. So that is your triangle. For second, I'm gonna talk about reference angles. Reference angle pretty much mean an angle that you are referring to. Okay, so an angle that you can referring to can be anything. So I'm gonna make another triangle, a right angle triangle that have 90 degree. Sorry for drawing. I'm trying to get used to this application, so I have yet to find a ruler. So we will have to settle for this for now. So right angle triangle, we have that one, that is your right angle, which is your 90 degree. And reference angle is any of one of these. So I'm gonna make this our reference angle. Reference angle. Alright, so that can be your reference angle. Or on the other hand, if I want to make it here, that can also be your reference angle. Okay, reference angle is very important because down the track you will have to solve if you're trying to, let's say if you're trying to build a bridge, you need to find out, you got the length and you got the width, and you need a reference angle, and you are able to find reference angle by using trigonometry. So these three, they are all related. Okay, they are all related, and you will need them. They go hands in hand. But don't worry, I will teach you as we go. So we got the right angle, reference angle. We got a right angle triangle. We talk about reference angle, and now we are going to hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse is present in a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is the longest length in right angle triangle. So I want you to look at this triangle for me. Which side do you reckon is the longest side? Is it this side, or that side, or that side? Just by the look of it. You can pause these videos and continue once you think you have the answer. It's alright to get it incorrectly, but that is the reason why we're here. We're here to learn, okay? So the answer is that one. This is your longest side, so that will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse can be represented as h. So the longest sides will always be hypotenuse. So to sum this video up, we went through what we're going to do for term 3. And we talk about 3 of the important keywords: right angle triangle, reference, and hypotenuse. And hopefully you will remember this, because we will use this for next videos. If you need to repeat these videos, please do so. And please leave any confusion, any confused questions that you have, and ask me during our lesson. Thank you very much. Good job for listening. Bye.